Hello guys, good afternoon. This is for a simulator of HVAC Rise department. Now we'll start for select for one by one for what's the name of these parts. This one breaker, fuse, under voltage monitor. This is part winding of motor contactor. And this is a timer delay. It's called TDR. This is control relay of general system.
But this one we use here on the unit.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, part winding is also. Part compressor. No, the CBM only. And this is magnetic contactor of the CFM. This is 9 bulbs of indicator light. The blower and the CFM, compressor, solenoid valve, and this is fault also. And this side is differential pressure. This is a differential pressure of the CFM.
Switches, my friend.
Switches. This is high pressure, low pressure. This is a switches of the auxiliary switches of the all general system. And this is thermostat of the room's sense temperature. Okay. And then this a main board of the ACB board. ACB board of our general system. And also this one is 30 volts and by 24 volts. Converted of all this system also. Okay. Now we'll start the. Okay, please on. Okay. No.
Okay, sir. I will on. No problem. Okay.
Okay. If you on this one, start this BMC.
This is the BMC.
Yeah, BMC. Now, okay. Then the next, I will.
Don't get nervous.
The setting of the thermostat or 60 or 50. Okay. Then open the solenoid and the equalize the system.
This is for solenoid.
Yeah, solenoid system. The equalize the system. And then after a few seconds, a few minutes, we'll magnetic contactor. No, CFM. Sorry.
CFM.
Yeah, CFM. Then the compressor. Then the second stage, the solid also. Then the magnetic contactor. Well, on this one, CS on the backup, leaving since the superheat coming.
Superheat,
Yeah, superheat coming.
Pressure, my friend.
Pressure. Okay. Start this one.
You're talking about superheat, huh?
There is a problem with the other compressor, you mean?
No, sir. This FC switch stand as our
Fan cycling switch.
yeah, fan cycling switch.
They need more cold.
Remove your hand, my friend. Okay.
No more pressure, no more heat.
Okay.
We have to give fault.
Big fault. Okay.
High pressure fault.
High pressure.
Let's wait. This
No need for the under voltage monitor. No need.
If
Compressor number 1.
High pressure. Have high pressure.
Okay, I give you a fault. This I pressure number 1 and the low pressure. What you like this?
High pressure.
And high pressure also.
Remove your hand, my friend.
The giving fault and
Reset this one.
okay.
Also reset.
Okay, we reset this one.
If we reset, we cannot lock out.
Okay, it will not lock out.
This is
Just wait more.
reset this one.
System number 1. Yeah. Within explain.
1 minute is coming that lock.
It will not. You reseated already.
This.
You- No.
What is this?
That is system reset. Why you reset?
We need system reset only.
You come back again to...
Okay.
This is for power, the first one.
Oh, that's for the blower motor.
Lower motor.
You feel nervous.
Compressor number 1. Why? This is compressor number 2.
Solenoid valve 2. Solenoid valve number 2.
Solenoid,
Sorry,
yeah.
sorry. This is
Solenoid.
You have a headache, huh? Don't be nervous. Safety meeting, Thomas, people will watch you.
Compressor number 2.
Yeah.
Why you press this one?
Back cycle.
1 second switch.
It is parallel to both compressor. Why you hold?
Yes. Okay. I give you low pressure 2 and high pressure 1.
Okay.
Anything.
Yeah.
System number 1, high pressure. System number 2.
Kalas, why you press hard?
Low pressure and high pressure.
Yeah.
Press it. Now hot. Too much hot.
Huh.
Yeah.
If
Reset the system 1. This compressor number 1.
system 1 reset, not the system reset. Okay. Kalas, enough.
Only one time.
Yeah, it will take 3 minutes to...
I will sleep after working. Wake me up. 3 minutes. Too long.
That is the program. That is the program of the board. And then the ECB will find out that the system has still enough pressure.
This is timer. This one.
Yeah, we just put this one for part winding, but we don't have here inside part winding.
This is for what? This one.
This is for first compressor, second compressor.
And this one for
This is
winding.
for part winding.
Balance the curve.
And this one for fan motor.
Yeah, that's one for
Where is for blower?
blower. Is this one?
This one's it.
Blower. Part winding compressor 1. Compressor 2.
You become red. You're wearing a red hat.
The light is
And
red.
this three red. This
That's
one.
This is for the fault. The other one here is for the low pressure. No airflow.
No air pressure.
The other one is for compressor system 1 and system 2.
Compressor.
Yeah, for the compressor.
If there is
Fault for a high pressure or low pressure, this
but
will
why
light.
not working?
Because we reset this one, it will not lock out there.
After lockout, this
Will light. This is the relay.
Very, very nice.
This is the relay for the lockout. This is the relay for the low pressure 1, low pressure 2, high pressure 1, high pressure 2.
But we will make this one with the tag.
Yeah, we are waiting. I think the
Write what you want, tag, name, this one. I will print by computer.
but should be only small parts.
Small, yeah. Wait a
It is.
We need make this one only 30 seconds. You can't.
No, we can't because
Why?
with the ACB have no speed test. There is nothing. We have to wait for the
Even in the original unit.
even in our unit. See now the other one lock out. It did not release from here. The low pressure.
Reset low pressure.
If you reset this one, it will not. No, it's what
Why?
reset because
Because
it's
that's
locked out already.
Flack out.
Yeah, if lock out, you have to reset the ACB itself.
Very good. Thank you.
Yeah, that's Victor.
Picture.